Hi, it's Nicholas. Welcome to my affiliate marketing info channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a new product called the Traffic Booster. Traffic Booster, what's it about? This product, Traffic Booster. Traffic Booster is training course that will teach you how you can drive traffic in different platforms. As we can know, if you want to make money online, the first of all you have to build your email list. But before you build your list, that is also the most important thing that you have to drive traffic. If you no traffic and nobody to see your affiliate product, then you cannot make any money. That is also the most important thing. Traffic is the most important thing. If you want to pay traffic, it is also the one to pay traffic. If you are just getting started or you are on and very tight on budget, free traffic is an option. When you have make some profit and you can invest some of the profit to some pay traffic. So this is also the training course will teach you 100% proven the result. Is also perfect for beginner if you are just getting started. So if you are interested in this training course, Traffic Booster to help you to drive more traffic, please stick with me because I also have some more exclusive bonus because you have to try traffic. My exclusive bonus will help you to in order to help you to how to stand out from the crowd because you have how to stand out from the crowd to build your brand. And also I also have offered more opportunity to help you to make more money. So if you have any question, feel free to leave your question in the comment below. And if you like, and also don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really will support my YouTube channel. Okay, let's jump into the sales page. This is also the replicate our system in just under 60 seconds. Maybe this is also a little high, which is just 6 seconds. The software, but this is also a training course. This does not make sense. But it also anyway, you can also have automated traffic source. It's also 100% proven result. It's also perfect for newbie. If you are other than that, you can also include free buyer traffic. Buyer traffic is more valuable just for the different freebie. There's also you can include the best traffic source. That is also you will have into that. Before I jump into the membership, please jump in. Let's take my bonus. Okay, if you just purchase the Traffic Booster, I also have some exclusive bonus for you. The bonus I will give you a free course niche domination secret. That's also how you can start making money as an influencer. Because everyone is doing. If you want to stand out for the crowd, you have to build your brand. People buy people, not just for them. Buy the product. If you can build your brand, when anybody that will know, like, and trust you, that is also will increase your sales conversion. That is also I will increase offer this free course how you can build your brand. Bonus number 2, I will give you a free book. That's how you can stand out from your email marketing. That is also when you subscribe to many marketers. That is also have ton of email. But how you can stand out from if you want to send out your auto-response email, follow-up or broadcast email, how you can stand out from the crowd and get your subscriber attention and also to click your email. That's also a very tricky. There's also the free book that will teach you how you can do that. Bonus number 3 is also the speech page convert. There's also the free video. There's also how you can increase your speech page conversion. It's all of them have a speech page. There is also to build your email capture. But what is the element? You can also to increase your opt-in conversion. There's also you have a 20%. How you can increase to 30%. There's also the very important. Bonus number 4, I will give you a 30-day content marketing strategy. That is also that you can how the content is king. Everyone is like the content before you buy. Before that they tap into your affiliate offer. There's also how you can get your content marketing strategy, and also as well, this is also to build your brand as well. Bonus number 5, I will give a training course that is also 5-figure freedom. That is also how you can make more money as the 5-figure. Bonus number 6, I will give you another course that is premium. That is also about this training course is mainly focused on printable 嘅 product 啦。This also that you can how to make it as a side hustle 啦。Bonus 7 I will give you about this system that is also you can sign up for free and then you can follow the system and you can unlock 12 income streams. And the best part is that most of them is a monthly recurring income. That is you will get paid month after month. Bonus 8 I will give you a free affiliate bootcamp. That is also that you can it's also the free to sign up. When you sign up you can and learn some of the super affiliate how you can promote this software. This software is also very famous. When you sign up for it, you will when you promote it, anybody active as a member and you will get paid month after month. Bonus 9 I will give you a free builder software. This also you can when you sign up when you create this when you have to want to build your email list, also you can have the building landing page or you can as a squeeze page. This also has little button as capture the visitor email and also to build your email list. But if you want to have a page builder, there's also you can have such ClickFunnels page builder or lead pages, instant pages. There are also tons of the page builder you can find on the market, but you have the point is you have to pay more money to get it, but I also give you the bonus that you can free to start up and you can get started with your free page builder and also to build your email list is also completely free. And the best part is that when you have this page builder and you can also instantly become the affiliate and also you can promote this to any marketer because everyone just need a page builder because it is free. You can also to promote it for any marketer. Okay, all my exclusive will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Plus before the countdown timer. Hit 0. Simply click the link below in the description. The first thing that you will come to my bonus page. When you come to my bonus page, press the single button and go through the sales page. When you press this button and buy it through my link, all my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Plus before the countdown timer. Hit 0. So please stay with me. Let's jump into the members area. The first of all, when you can tap into the introduction, you also have different section. Section 1 introduction, list building. Section 3 and develop your content. Section 4 organic traffic. Section 5 paid traffic. Section 6 YouTube hack. Section 7 is the final section, PRM guide. And then finally is also have the upgrade. If you have not upgrade and in the payment process, you can also to upgrade inside the members area. Okay, just I'm going to jump into that. There's also the overview. There's also the welcome message, welcome the email. Click banner is also a very important. If you want to because there's a focus on click banner. There's also you can find many network that you can promote. Why is also the click banner is more easy that you can tap into that. If you want to because other than the JV Soon and Warrior Plus, it's also focused on software and training course as well. It's also focused on internet marketing and make money online. But the best part is the ClickBank is not only for internet marketing and make money on. You can also tap into the difference in which such of the most profitable and make money online. You can tap into the other two profitable niche included health and fitness dating. Is also the two most profitable niche. And other than that, you can have the different niche such as dog training, language, sport, and crypto, and job. This also done over you depend on what is your interest in. But before you tap into that, this also have some problem. There's also the watch how to create a ClickBank account. If you have this is also some similar. If you have anyone to tap into that and how to create your ClickBank account, is also that you must watch this how you can create your account if you have any problem about to create your ClickBank account. After that, you successfully create your account. There's also the other video how to find high converting affiliate product on ClickBank. That is also important. Very so many product. How you can find high converting product. The next section list building. The first one is why list generation is important. That's also why you can build your email list, the monthly in your list. Email opt-in. This also this section is how to build your landing page, or you can call it a scratch page啦。There's also that you can capture your email just visitor the email address to build your email list. They also have two options. The first option is completely group funnel. The second option is get response. Get response is auto response. It's also when you want to save more money, you can also to get response. They also have come with a 30-day free trial and 30-day free trial. And also the best part is get response have the landing page builder. And also you can have your opt-in page to capture your the visitor the email address. That is also included in the get response. That is also you don't have to pay extra money to buy anything about the landing page builder. And the next part is about develop the content. There's also when you type into when you have your script page, you want to have your and you cannot just post it on the Facebook just for the landing page. The best part is you have the best practice you have to provide value content for the visitor. There's also the best part is to provide an article. Some of the affiliate market, some of the affiliate program they also have to provide an article for your promotion. But anybody to use the same article, how you can promote, how you can make it unique. There's also in this video will teach you how you can use a spin article spinner software to make this article more unique. That is also to more easy for you to promote in different social media, different people as well. And the next section is about the organic traffic. Organic traffic is also you can have there's also the organic traffic, and you can see there's also the completely free. There's also included organic traffic 1, 2, 3. There's also the first of all. There's also the first of all how you can get more view organic traffic, massive the instant traffic to your content without SEO. SEO is a long learning curve. If you want to organic traffic, but you don't have to worry about how you can about the SEO. In this video will teach you how you can get your blog. This also you can also get your blog. Is also another option. Is also completely free. And also the organic traffic 2 and 3. This also you can tap into the 2 different platforms. You can this also you can get ton of organic traffic from it. When you publish an article, when you also to get more organic traffic from these 2 platforms, organic traffic 2 and 3, this is also you must watch. Paid traffic is also the influencer, Instagram influencer. You can also to buy them. Instagram influencer, they also have at least 10,000 now. Maybe some of them has 1 million influencer. They also have a very active follower. And how you can buy an Instagram where shout out. There's also paid traffic. That is also you can pay them to post your landing page or an article or any affiliate offer. That is also up to you. And then this next part is YouTube hack. That is also how you have YouTube. There's also an organic. It's also another part. And how you can get free traffic from Google. There's also that you can have the explore YouTube loophole to rank on page 1. There's also the loophole, and you can watch it if you have a YouTube channel and YouTube channel that is you must watch there. And finally there's also the PRL PRL guide. Is also the first of all the PRL software. That's also the how to create an email the opt-in page with this PRL. The next section is refresh how to make your PRL content unique and fresher. And the last section is also how you can how to promote your affiliate links in a clever way. That is also how you can use PR article to promote your affiliate link. That is also the very powerful and easy way to do that. The final is also the upgrade. There's also what you will get. There's also I will reveal to you what the price as well. They also included the 4 upgrade. Upgrade is done for upgrade 1 is done for you the packet, done for you the campaign. There's also you can get the campaign. Done upgrade 2 is you can upgrade 2 you will get giveaway, you will get the right to the 27 upgrade number 2 you will have the right to 27 product you can also to offer as a bonus if you want to have a bonus or lead generation. There's also you can give away as a lead magnet. There's also you can build your list and give it away as a lead magnet, or you can use it as a bonus if you want to promote any affiliate product. You give away bonus as that is also to increase your sales conversion. This is also I highly recommend that you can grab the upsell number 1 and upgrade number 1 and upgrade number 2. Upgrade number 3 is also you can join there are 2 exclusive 45 minutes professional personal section. That is also you can have a one-on-one 45 minutes section personal section. Upgrade 4 is also you can resell traffic booster and keep 100% commission. As you can sell this and keep 100% commission. So what is the price? Please stay with it. Okay, that's also just the front end is just for the $12.95. 95 cents. This is also you can have a tons of training video how you can get traffic and use pay traffic as well. Upsell number 1 is also upsell number 1 and 2 that I highly recommend and I mentioned it before. $37. They also come with $27. That is also have the done for you get a campaign that you will get the emails right. Their emails right that you have has a recommended product that you can also promote. That is also have a weekly They also have a weekly basis. You have a weekly basis. You have a new emails right. That is also just for one-time payment, $27. Option number 2 is you have also have a $27. They also come with $70 downsell. That is also you can have the right to 27 bonus product that you can use as a bonus to give, or you can use it as a lead magnet to give it away just for that you have the downsell price $70 one price. Option number 3 you can have a one-on-one masterclass that you have join the 47 minutes personal section. This is also you can learn much more about this 2 successful affiliate marketer. 297 and downsell is 197. Option number 4 you can resell about this. Also you can sell it and keep 100% commission. $67, $47 downsell. In my opinion, I highly recommend you can grab the upsell number 1 and 2. They also both have downsell $27 and $70 done for you package and bonus giveaway rider. There's also you can have a giveaway or you can also do the bonus as a bonus to your increase your sales conversion. Upsell number 2 and upsell number 2 I highly recommend you should grab it. So let's get our report. What my exclusive bonus for you. The bonus number 1 is also the lead domination secret. Bonus number 2 and high converting email marketing. Bonus number 3 squeeze page converter. Bonus number 4 30-day content marketing strategy. Bonus number 5 5-figure freedom training course. Bonus number 6 printed training course. Bonus number 7 365 12 income stream. As you pass you will get payment after month. Bonus number 6 free affiliate program. You will promote it and get payment after month. Bonus number 9 you will get a free buyer software. You will get free to sign up and also have your fee to sign up for the page builder in order to get your email capture landing page, and also you can become their affiliate affiliate and also to promote this product to any marketing online marketer. All my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Plus before the countdown timer hit 0. Simply click the link below in the description. The first link will come to my bonus page. When you come to my bonus page, practice any blue button. Go through the sales page if you any button and also to buy this full my practice any blue button and go through to buy my link and to buy this through my link. All my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Plus before the countdown timer hit 0. Thanks for taking time to check out my traffic booster review and bonus. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel have other playlists including multiple stream of income, make money online tips, marketing tips and also don't forget to check my description below to grab your freebie. I also included 2 training courses, 2 additional training, 1 free report and 5 top and recommendation. All of the top recommendation is about free training course, free training and that free training. All of them will help you to make more money online. So don't forget to check my description below to grab your freebie and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you.